Funded Catterton, Nikhil Thukral, who led the Birkenstock deal. Leslie?
Thank you, Carl, and thank you, Nick, for being here. Catterton and related entities took Birkenstock private just 2 years ago. Reportedly, at the time, the valuation was $4.8 billion. Today, going public at a valuation near $9 billion. So I'm curious, what changes did you make strategically, operationally, that you believe drives, say, 80% upside in valuation today?
Yeah, well, by the way, thanks for having me. So look, Leslie, this is what we do. 100-odd portfolio companies, everything within consumer. What we saw was a terrific brand with an underwriting that was very similar to what the company had been doing. So the growth rate, and Oliver talked about this earlier, but the growth rate that you saw was true in place, well before we invested. What we sort of underwrote was three things. One, a continuation of expanding the product assortment. So the product was really geared when we first came in more toward open-toed shoes. We defined that category in the Arizona in particular. And we thought there was a big opportunity in closed-toed shoes. So you give our consumers an opportunity to be able to expand their usage occasion. What do you wear in the winter, right? So it's really access to the footbed and giving them products that they could wear at different times. So we underwrote that, and that penetration rate more than doubled relative to what we underwrote. Second, we continue to drive the channel strategy of the business into our own channels because it's all about control. And so as we moved product into our own channels, that revenue is worth more to us, it's more profitable to us. And then lastly, we really underwrote an expansion of capacity. And you heard Oliver talk about this, which is we were capacity constrained, always in sellout mode. And so the first thing we did was actually spend 150 million euros in expanding capacity so that we can start to supply the geographic markets that we were under-penetrated in Asia and other markets.
Because it's pretty quick. A little over 2 years. So I'm curious why now there was such determination to take this public. I know you had a whole host of curveballs thrown your way, from the potential government shutdown that almost thwarted the roadshow. Obviously, over the weekend, there were some significant events in the Middle East that created some uncertainty in the market. So why go public now? I know you'll still hold 30 or 83%, at least in the short run. But why take it public now?
Yeah, look, I mean, when we, again, 80% of the businesses we do, we're partnering with founders and families and entrepreneurs. And one of the things we came in and talked to Oliver about was there was an intent to get the company public. And that was our promise to him. It's really a brand that belongs to the public. It belongs to our fan base and to our customer base. And so all along, that was the intent. What drove the timing was, when you think about markets like this, and it has been true because the company during our hold period has lived through the Ukraine war, has lived through, a pandemic. This is the kind of business where quality will differentiate itself, right? And we believe this is a business that will perform well in any market. It has. It's been illustrative of that. It's exactly what we do in terms of the kinds of businesses we want to find and invest in. And so our view was get the business out. We will continue to own 68% of this business, post-offer. We'll be aligned with our long-term partners. We're very selective about who we brought into the capitalization. And then we'll be patient. So we have the opportunity to be able to continue to, enjoy what we think will be a lot of great growth within this business and the upside that comes with it.
I have a question on you. When it comes to geopolitical risk, you always wonder about retailer supply chains and where they're located. This company has a unique value here because it's all the shoes are made in Germany? Yeah.
So, and from the onset, and that's the authenticity of this brand. So 95% of the shoes made in Germany, a little bit in Portugal, all captive to us. But it's also, all the input materials also come from Europe. So there's very little raw material that even comes from outside of the European theater, right? So complete control over that supply chain.